Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the 60-second wellness overview on the OnePlus Watch Lite. So 60-second wellness overview is basically a scan that takes 60 seconds and is going to show you different information about your pretty much body and your vitals. So to start the 60-second wellness overview, if you're doing it for the first time, we're going to open up the Health app on our phone, which is paired to our watch. And then we are going to take our watch, open up the app drawer, and then we are going to find this app right here. So 60-second wellness overview with a heart and like this monitor icon. So open it up, and then you will see a notification on your phone and the screen on your watch. So let's start with the phone. Just click go, and it's gonna show you a tutorial right here. So complete the personal profile. I have it completed. Then it's gonna ask you to activate the ECG function. So you click go, press activate, and it's going to look for the system requirements. And once that's done, click OK, and the option will be enabled. Then you're also gonna have to do the third thing, the join vascular health research program. Just click go again, scroll down through the form, and then click agree and continue. So preparation completed, and click measure on watch, and we can continue with the watch. So take the watch, click get started, and it's gonna tell you that the age requirement's not met if you are under 18. So let me just change that really quickly. So there we go, it's now fixed, and I've put on the watch, which is also something you need to do. And then we can get started. So let's click on the get started icon. It's gonna ask you to tighten the watch strap, so just make sure to do that and make sure it's on pretty tightly. And then after that, we can continue. So go back to the app, get started, click next. Sit still and rest on a flat surface. Place a finger on the electrode. The electrode is this little button right here. It's not really clickable, it's just to measure your EKG. Then going to continue, and it's going to ask you to keep your finger on the electrode. And here, as you can see, it's starting to scan, and the whole process is going to take a minute. As you can see, there's a countdown. So just make sure to keep your hands still, and once the countdown's down, we'll get back to the tutorial. So the test actually took a little less time, even less than 60 seconds. But once it's done, it's gonna show you all of your indicators and vitals. So you can see mine are normal. You can check the heart health, every detail, sleep health, mind and body, and things like that. And that is pretty much how you do it. So once you've done that, all of the details that you have recorded are going to go into the app. So we can go to home, scroll down to 60-second wellness overview, learn more, and this is where you will see your last and pretty much all of the overviews that you've done. So here's all the data, pretty much the same as on the watch, except it's now saved, and that's how you access it. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.